I believe every day is new day, birthday. Every day is birthday. The particles of our physical also within 24 hours change. So new things. And then mental thinking also out of experience, out of knowledge, also is developed. So every day is birthday. We should utilize our every new day properly. Then days, weeks, months, years, decades, our whole life become something sensible, something meaningful. That is, if you can help others, do it as much as you can. If you cannot, at least restrain harming others. That's the essential of meaningful life.
Brothers, sisters, indeed, I feel very happy mixing with people, and particularly young people. When I sit with old people, then sometimes I feel you go first, me go first. That when I mixing with young people, 85-year-old person mentally sometimes feel younger. So I'm very happy, very enjoy meeting with you. Then time always moving, so no force can stop that. Time moving, changing, it's nature. Now the question is whether we utilize time properly or not. And for that, it's the past, you can't do anything. For the future, depend on present. So we can make opportunity to create future more peaceful, more happy, or difficult future. Now in that respect, the generation of 21st century, you are the key sort of people who create this century more, and also responsibility. And also the remaining 21st century, like me, you won't see, but you have to live. So therefore, it is your own interest to try to have happier century. So the generation of 21st century is very, very important. So please, these young brothers, sisters, please think more seriously how to build happy world, happy century. Because, A lot of problems which we are experiencing and seeing, including war. These are human creation. So, since these problems, many problems, human created problems, so logically, we also have the ability to eliminate these problems. If not entirely, certainly we can reduce these problems. So, the young human being, you have a very good opportunity and also moral responsibility to create happier world. So now like these violence, war, mainly creation of anger and also selfish and narrow-minded. If we create on this world a concept of oneness of human being, no basis of we and they, then you see these such as sort of cruelty and war, too much based on we and they, and that also finally concept of I, we, lacking a sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. If we consider entire 7 billion human beings as human brothers, sisters, then you see no basis to kill each other, to bully each other. Therefore, now it is very important that we have to develop sense of oneness of human being. And then logically, you see, human being are social animal. And then any social animal, they have the sense of concern about their own community, because their own life very much depends on the community. So ancient time, community, you see, his or her own area, firstly family, then small community. Now today's world, the reality, the Eastern world depend on Western world, all this technology, or this sort of modern science, or these come from West. We very much rely on them. Then also for economy, these things, West also is in need, depend on East, and similarly South and the North. So from that, judging that reality, then today's
도유 감송 김유진의 남상의 려지버리 김대라가 길에서 오메야 청해서